Okay, let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story, which comes from the suburb of Dombivli near Thane district of Maharashtra. Now, the flyover here, called the Pallava flyover, was built to ease traffic between Navi Mumbai, Kalyan and Thane, all very, very populated, densely populated suburbs of Mumbai. Guess what? It's turned into a full-blown fiasco. 7 years in the making, inaugurated in the month of July, shut the very same day, reopened only to be shut once again. Why? Get Real India. Take a look.
Mumbai's Pallava flyover was meant to be a lifeline, part of an ambitious plan to decongest the ever-choked Dombivli stretch. Built by the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, the 562-meter-long bridge was inaugurated on the 4th of July this year. But within hours of being opened, motorists began to skid. The freshly laid surface was too smooth. The flyover had to be shut down the very same day. A day later, sand was sprinkled to increase friction and the bridge was reopened. But the woes of the public were far from over. Within just a week, the newly built flyover was riddled with potholes.
करीब 2-4 घंटे में ये ब्रिज बंद करना पड़ा था. इस ब्रिज का हैंडओवर भी नहीं हुआ था. जो हैंडओवर नहीं होने के कारण उसके बावजूद भी इस ब्रिज का उद्घाटन एकदम गाई में हुआ. इस ब्रिज ने डोंबिवली को पूरा देश भर में, जग भर में सब जगह पे पहुंचाया, लेकिन बैड तरीके से पहुंचाया.
By the third week of September, the bridge became a nightmare for commuters. Repeated patchwork attempts failed to fix the damage. Finally, the MSRDC had no choice but to shut the bridge again, this time completely stripping off the entire asphalt layer and relaying it from scratch. Even today, parts of the bridge remain closed as resurfacing work continues.
काम कम से कम 7 से 8 साल से चल रहा था यहाँ पे, लेकिन फ्लाईओवर बनने के बाद में एकदम घाई गड़बड़ी में उन्होंने इनॉग्रेशन किया और दूसरे दिन में कांग्रेस का पूरा ये कंक्रीट पूरा निकल गया यहाँ से. तो इतना ट्रैफिक है, शील फाटा से लेके यहाँ तक आने को पब्लिक को इतना परेशानी हो रही है. मैं भी अभी बानपाड़ा से यहाँ तक आया, रोनवाल में इतना ट्रैफिक है, शील फाटा में इतना ट्रैफिक है.
Local leaders now want accountability and a technical investigation into how a bridge built over 7 years began to crumble in literally 7 days.
ये ब्रिज को ये पिछले 8 साल से बन रहा था और जब से बना हुआ है तब से ये लोग ऐसे ही पैच कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है आगे ये हर त्योहार को ऐसे पैच मारने वाले, ऐसा हम लोग को लग रहा है यहाँ पे.
The Pallava debacle has once again raised big questions over public infrastructure and accountability in Maharashtra. With video journalists Ajay and Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
The Maharashtra government still hasn't responded to that story. As and when they respond, we'll have their reaction as well. Let's turn to our good news today story. From there, it comes from Chhattisgarh's Durg, where a group of college students are turning rust into art. At a unique workshop, what began as scrap metal is taking the shape of something far more meaningful. Take a look at Good News Today.
This classroom in Chhattisgarh's Durg Government College is buzzing with the sound of hammering metal and blazing furnaces. At VY Tamskar PG College, a 10-day Bastar Iron Craft workshop is turning waste into wonders. Under New Education Policy 2020's Skill-Based Learning Initiative, over 45 students from the History Department are learning the intricate art of tribal iron sculpture using scrap.
बस्तर द्वारा आए हुए लोगों ने हमें इतनी अच्छे तरीके से सिखाया, इतनी सरलतापूर्वक रोजगार का मतलब आइडिया दिया है कि हम बता नहीं सकते. इससे मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. हमारे विद्यार्थी भी हमें लगता है संतुष्ट हैं.
हम बस्तरिया आर्ट को प्रोत्साहन दे रहे हैं, जहां हम वेस्ट मटेरियल को एक कलाकृति का रूप देकर उसमें सुंदर सा डिज़ाइन डालकर कलर कर हम उसको सेल करते जा रहे हैं.
Under the guidance of master craftsmen from Bastars, Kondagaon and Konta, students have sculpted tribal figures, drummers, archers and many others. By just using simple tools like hammers, chisels and of course raw creativity. The workshop isn't just about art. It's a step towards preserving Bastar's indigenous craft and promoting eco-conscious thinking. And these art pieces will be used as mementos in the college event.
बस्तर का क्षेत्र जो कभी माओवाद के से ग्रसित था, वहाँ की जो कलाएं हैं अद्भुत हैं। यहाँ विद्यार्थियों का सहयोग काफ़ी मिल रहा है। हमारे इतिहास विभाग के विद्यार्थी इसमें सक्रिय हैं और यहाँ एक ढांचा तैयार करने से लेकर पेंटिंग तक विद्यार्थियों के द्वारा करके उसको तैयार किया जा रहा है।
In a world battling both cultural erosion and environmental challenges, these students in Durg have shown how creativity can bridge the gap by turning kabar into jugaad. With Raghunandan Panda, Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, just about enough time to leave you with our image today, which is a viral 2024 video that has now emerged of the close aide of Iran's supreme leader Khamenei that has sparked outrage because critics say the footage, which you can see on your screen now, exposes the alleged double standards of the Iranian regime. The rules, it seems, are not the same for all, is what the accusation is. We leave you with that image, and that's it on the show tonight. Stay well, stay safe. Good night, Shubh Ratri, Jai Hind, Namaskar.